Travel sharing, a new model of sharing economy, is gaining popularity among Chinese youths as it makes travel more affordable and accessible. This new way of travel means going on trips with strange partners and sharing some travel expenses such as costs of meals, tickets, and transportation, as agreed in advance. Xu Tingting, a manager of clothing stores in Nanjing, capital of East China's Jiangsu province, is a veteran of sharing tourism with more than 10 shared travels.
第一次拼团游是在17年，去了柬埔寨，它的景点距离住宿的地方就每天都是需要包车前往的，所以当时是想说，那拼到4个人的话，可以一起包车会比较的更优惠一点，大家都可以吃得很丰富。然后同时的话，也是避免了一个人出去玩会比较的孤单一点，然后也没有人帮忙拍照啊。在旅行期间，那大多数的那个留下的回忆都是很美好的，然后也会能够了解到他们不同的年龄层的伙伴，他们的一些经历，他们的一些喜好，也能够带给我一些新的启发。
Boosted by the tourism craze, tourism practitioners in China's Qinghai province have felt the Chinese youth's enthusiasm for travel sharing.
越来越多的游客选择来到青海，其中也不少游客选择拼团的方式畅游青海湖查看阳光。今年截止目前，我们共接待拼团游客7万多人，大家共享交通，共赏美景，旅游经济实惠又充满。
According to the Ministry of Culture and Tourism, a total of 826 million domestic trips were made across China during this year's Mid-Autumn and National Day holidays, up 71.3% year-on-year.